Shenzhen, a rapidly evolving cosmopolitan city and the global epicenter of technological innovation, it proudly hosts the headquarters of Maxtang. Since its establishment in 2009, Maxtang has been committed to fostering innovation and continuously delivering industry-leading products and solutions. With a focus on industrial computing, motherboards, and embedded solutions, Maxtang's comprehensive team structure infuses the company with vitality and creativity while cultivating a thriving community of intelligence for its employees. Here is the heart of Maxtang, where gears never stop turning and hands weave the future of technology. Engineers will ensure that the quality and performance of the products are at their best, and quality inspectors will ensure that each product meets the company's high standards. Our products possess ingenious design and pursue excellence in every detail, ensuring that each product is an impeccable masterpiece. Meanwhile, Maxtang boasts ample material and product reserves, ensuring efficient production while also swiftly meeting customers' product demands, delivering an unparalleled experience. Maxtang stands as a leader in the industry, relying on exceptional manufacturing and comprehensive supply chain management. And all of this stems from an unwavering pursuit of quality and innovation. Maxtang spans the entire industry chain, from product sales, design, development and production, committed to creating leading-edge MiniPC products. Our products are designed to be green, fully compliant with WE/RoHS legislation, and sustainable for future development. Thank you for your attention and support. We will continue to lead the industry trend and bring you more surprising product experiences.
Thank you for choosing Maxtang.
Vielen Dank, dass Sie sich für Maxtang entschieden haben.
Merci d'avoir choisi Maxtang.
Спасибо, что выбрали Maxtang.
Gracias por elegir Maxtang.
Grazie per aver scelto Maxtang.
막탄부をお選びいただきありがとうございます。
맥스탕을 선택해 주셔서 감사합니다.
我们在这里等候你的到来。